Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add multiple stops in Waze. Let's say you're on the way somewhere but need to make a quick detour, maybe to grab coffee or pick up a friend. Here's how to do it. First, open the Waze app, set your destination, and start your drive. Then tap Where to Go again. And select Add a Stop. Type in your stop location and tap Go. Waze will automatically route you to that stop first before continuing to your final destination. Just note, Waze only allows one stop per trip. If you need to add more, you'll have to start a new route after each stop. And that's it. That's how to add multiple stops in Waze. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.